Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi biography. Mahatma Gandhi, a biography. Introduction. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation in India. He was a leader who fought for India's freedom from British rules using non-violent methods. His life and work continue to inspire people all over the world. In his script, he will take a closer look at his life, achievement, and teachings. Early life. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869, in Porbandar, a small town in Gujarat, India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, was a chief minister in Porbandar, and his mother, Putlibai, was a deeply religious woman. Gandhi was greatly influenced by his mother's values of honesty, discipline, and simplicity. As a child, Gandhi was shy and introvert. He was not a remarkable student, but he was very honest and truthful. He married Kasturba Gandhi at the age of 13, a common practice at that time. Education and early career. In 1888, Gandhi went to London to study law at University College London. He complete कौन है अरे पूरी रिकॉर्डिंग खराब करा दी अब क्या ले आ जा Education and early career. In 1888, Gandhi went to become a London, study law at University College London. He completed his study and became a lawyer. After ruining the Indian, he struggled to establish a successful law practice. In 1893, he moved to South Africa to work as legal advisor. Gandhi in South Africa. In South Africa, Gandhi faced racial discrimination once he was thrown out of a train despite having a valid ticket because he was not white. This incident deeply affected him. Gandhi decided to fight against injustice and discrimination. He developed the method of satyagraha, which means non-violent resistance to truth force. Gandhi led companies for the right of Indian in South Africa. He encouraged people to protest peacefully without violence. His effort brought significant change to the lives of Indian immigrants there. Return to India and freedom struggle. Gandhi returned to India in 1915 and joined the Indian National Congress. He quickly became a prominent leader of the freedom movement. He led many non-violent campaigns against British rule, including Champaran and Kheda movement. Gandhi fought for the right of farmers who were forced to grow indigo instead of food crop. Number 2, cooperation movement. In 1920, Gandhi encouraged Indian boycott British goods, school and government services. Number 3, Salt March, Dandi March. In 1930, Gandhi walked 240 miles to protest the British salt tax. This became a powerful symbol of India's struggle of independence. Number 4, Quit India movement. In 1942, Gandhi called for the British to leave India completely. His slogan, "Do or Die," inspired millions of Indians. Principle and teaching. Gandhi life was Guided by the principle of truth, non-violence, and simplicity, he believed in self-reliance and encouraged people to make their own goods, especially clothes. He practiced what he preceded, living a simple life and wearing hand spoon, khadi cloth, khadi cloths. Gandhi teaching em- empath- empathized ahimsa, non-violence, never harm anyone physically or mentally. Truth, always speak and live by the truth. Equality, treat everyone equality regardless of religions, caste or gender. Self reliance, be independent and self sufficient. Independence and final year India gained independence on August 15, 1947, but Gandhi was saddened by the partition of India and Pakistan. He worked tirelessly to promote peace and harmony between Hindus and Muslims. On January 30, 1948, Gandhi was assass- assassinated by the Nathuram Godse, and a man who opposed his view. Legacy Mahatma Gandhi legacy lives on his non-violence method have inspired many leaders like Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, and the Dalai Lama. His birthday October 2 is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in India and as the International Day of Non-Violence worldwide. Conclusion: Mahatma Gandhi's life is a lesson in courage, determination, and the power of non-violence. He showed the world that it is possible to achieve great change through peaceful means. His teaching remain relevant today, reminding us to live with truth, love, and compassion.